structured educational visit to school and training seminar in Sweden. I arrived a day before, and on Saturday I started the course at the Estocolm auditorium. There were 11 different nationalities together, and the 4 hours course flew. I thought it would be a very good experience. Some days were hard because we stayed morning and afternoon learning Swedish culture and education. In our free time, we visited the beautiful city of Estocolm. I was surprised that most schools were private, but at the same time, there was competition with the public side. There I had a work group. We talked about our own educational system in our countries. We worked on the difference and improvements that we could introduce when we come back. Now we'll be able to exchange our students with the Erasmus program. It's a new challenge. I can say that it was a rich experience, and of course I would repeat it.